Alam niyo ba, bawal po ang ginagawa.
Kindly maintain
Presiding
order
officer,
within the
bawal
court.
po ang ginagawa nitong nasa harap natin, nagkukomento.
Kindly maintain order in the court. The Sergeant at Arms, by authority of the Senate President, is directed to kindly maintain
Hindi
order
po
in the
sila
court.
allowed. Mag-ingay. Korte po ito.
Thank you. You may proceed, Senator Judge. Who was speaking?
Ako po.
You may proceed, Senator Judge.
I was
Padilla.
interrupted.
With due
English.
apologies.
So, ibig niyo pong sabihin, yung mga senator judges dito ngayon na humaharap sa kaso, na hindi po pinapayagan ng ombudsman at hindi pa rin sila guilty, ano pong ibig niyo sabihin?
Your Honor, with all due respect, ang question niyo po kanina ay kaugnay ng pagtistigo.
Testigo nga,
Referring to
judges
the
nga yung
witnesses of
sinasabi
the
eh.
prosecution, Your Honor.
Ang usapan po ay yung guilty or not guilty. Okay? So, tatanong na po ako ng bago. Pwede po ba?
May I be clarified, Your Honor, on your last question about the senator you said are facing cases?
Lead counsel, I think that was more
Alam
of
niyo po, malinaw na po yung sinabi ko and wala po kayong karapatan magtanong
Hindi.
sa Senator Judge.
Diliwanagin ko nga po. I think Senator Judge Padilla was making a manifestation and not posing a question to the lead prosecutor in relation to our two colleagues. You may proceed, Senator Judge Padilla.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong tagapamahalang hukom. Pwede na po ba tayong mag-advance ng katanungan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Apo. Yung pong sinasabi ninyo, bakit nyo po nababanggit ang ICC dito? Ano po ang kinalaman ng ICC dito sa ating pagdinig?
With all due respect, Honorable Senator Judge Robin Padilla, kagaya po ng nabanggit ko na, at marahil panglima ng banggit ng presiding officer, nabanggit po ang ICC, kaugnay ng affidavit ni Las Cañas, na ipirinisinta po ng prosecution bilang bahagi lamang ng testimonya ng witness at bilang bahagi ng naging investigasyon ng Special Task Force ng NBI.
Maraming salamat po.
Senator Judge Padilla will please wind up. You can
Opo.
avail of a second round if you wish.
Opo. Maraming salamat po.